Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some soft flour tortillas. Let's get to the video. I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose wheat flour, a 1/4 tablespoon baking soda, some salt to taste. I'll also add some cinnamon and 2 tablespoons oil. I'll then mix all the ingredients as shown in the video. After mixing all the dry ingredients together well, I'm now going to add warm water bit by bit as I mix with a spoon as shown in the video, and then I'm going to make a soft dough. Our dough is now ready, soft and stretchy. I'm then going to make 8 balls, and then I'm going to cover it with a slightly wet towel for at least 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm going to dust my board and then I'm going to roll my dough as shown in the video. I'm going to roll the dough as I add them to my pan. I'll use low-medium heat for my tortillas. While making your tortillas, make sure you cover them so that they remain warm and soft. That's what we want. Flour tortillas are now ready. I'm going to brush them with some butter as shown in the video. Our flour tortillas are now ready, you guys. Look at them. They're super soft and fluffy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.